Caustic flakes, also known as sodium hydroxide flakes, are a highly versatile and powerful industrial chemical, used in a wide range of applications. As a strong alkali, caustic flakes are widely utilized in the manufacturing of soaps and detergents, where they play a crucial role in saponification, the process of converting fats and oils into soap. Their high reactivity also makes them essential in the paper and pulp industry, where they aid in breaking down lignin to produce high-quality paper. Additionally, caustic flakes are integral to textile processing, helping in neutralization, a treatment that enhances the strength, luster, and dye absorption of fabrics. The chemical's effectiveness extends to petroleum refining, where it is used to remove acidic impurities, and in water treatment plants, where it helps regulate pH levels and neutralize acidic waste. Due to their high solubility and strong alkaline properties, caustic flakes dissolve quickly in water, making them an efficient and reliable choice for numerous industrial and commercial applications. Beyond their widespread use in manufacturing and processing, caustic flakes play a crucial role in maintaining hygiene and environmental safety. They are commonly used in industrial cleaning solutions, capable of cutting through grease, oils, and heavy deposits, making them indispensable in food processing facilities and metal cleaning operations. Their ability to break down organic matter also makes them valuable in wastewater treatment, helping to remove contaminants and improve water quality. In the pharmaceutical and chemical industries, caustic flakes are used to produce various essential compounds, including solvents, plastics, and synthetic fibers. Despite their benefits, handling caustic flakes requires caution due to their highly corrosive nature. Proper storage in airtight, moisture-free conditions is necessary to prevent unwanted reactions, and safety measures such as protective gear should always be observed during use. As a key component in numerous industries, caustic flakes continue to be a fundamental ingredient in modern industrial chemistry, offering both efficiency and reliability in critical processes.